Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelin bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. With a cost of 4.5 crore, Umskun receives a new road. BSF Meghalaya culminates cleanliness drive under Swachh Bharat campaign. Maori sisters to release a music video, Ko Jinkmen. And Hajan Jongpi, a new music video to be released by Arman this year. And now the news in detail. It is a day of delight for the people of Umskun, which is close to the National Highway 6, whereby the 15th December fulfilled the desire of the people to get new roads. Preston Tinsong, Deputy Chief Minister, laid the foundation stone to construct a new road with 2.5 kilometers with the estimation of 4.5 crores. On this day of laying the foundation stone for the new road in Umskun, few personalities witnessed, which includes the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, Arpit Upadhyaya, MDC Umsning Constituency, Magdalene Das Maulong, SEPWD Shillong Circle S. Kintia, Executive Engineer of PWD Road M. Purbot, Stefan Xiar, Headman of Umskun, and the inhabitants of the region.
Kadon ki humpai palvot, but kiwai isai drains. Kadon ro hakan ika scheme ya kaban siang rong baro shilanter jong new rock kabaka jingjingai kalong 8 kilometer sunspa meter. Je kaneka rock kadai kabadan kam kumungisai ong ba usurok uday utis nam jong kakit kaba kalait kawan kamtam hakapang gasitam.
To promote the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in daily life, BSF Meghalaya under Swachh Bharat campaign has successfully accomplished 2 weeks Swachhta Pakhwada, an initiative by the Government of India by organizing various cleanliness events from 1st to 15 December 2022. The cleanliness campaign was conducted under the mentorship of Inderjeet Singh Rana, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya, which was commenced with the pledge administered by him to all the BSF personnel serving under BSF Meghalaya. During the program, BSF carried out an extensive cleaning and awareness drive at BSF campuses, public places as well as residential areas. BSF also propagated the campaign through road march and by displaying banners at public places to motivate local population to become part of this noble initiative. A group of singers and dancers of three sisters, which includes Sun Milan Maori, Klur Milan Maori, along with Lucy Mary Maori, produced their new music video, Ko Jinkmen, and it will be officially released on the 16th December 2022 at 5 p.m. in a YouTube channel named Belsi Maori. While speaking with the media persons, these sisters request the support of the people by watching their music video, as they always did for other videos from time to time.
Penken mau ki pai ba barok gajin kemen kadena du mensiam kadeban mana du na po don ujungi ken na ngin kemen na du mensiam kemen tu ingi bangin le kai ngin le chai iru kalong ngiyo jing kemen ye kan ka ban puni ini video mi ai no daka ku jing kemen ken ni kamne kam thoya ta ki na sama ne kade ru ke kulong khana kilong na ro ju.
One of the famous actors of Khasi Hills, Arman this year, on the 15th December 2022, announced that he will release his new music video entitled Hajan Jongpi, which will be officially released on the 17th December 2022 at 5 p.m. on the YouTube channel of S. Kharsono. He urged the people to send their support in the release of the music video, as they have always done for previous music videos he produced. While speaking with Don Bosco Media Network, Arman this year informed that the intention behind the release of this music video is basically to enjoy music together with love and happiness.
Jadi nak kata kan ba ka diga jingrai kalong ba nu nong ak nu aktor ne ga jingrai kalong ba along nama kadai music video kadai film dekat along lajrong kadai music video pa along spelling ki to try ni music video spelling ko na ba penwandor kata kom ba kadai ko jingrai shan kadai ko jingrai hakta ko kom ba kan itna.
Honorable Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and MLA of North Tura, Sri Thomas A. Sangma, attended an interactive program organized with the beneficiaries of the Mission Mode projects under the NPP-led government. At the program, the distribution of Focus Plus cards, checks to SHGs and distribution of piglets and poultry to beneficiaries were undertaken. The program witnessed the presence of MLA of Bajeng Doba, Sri Pongsenkar Marak, MLA of Karkuta, Sri Rupert Momin, Mendipathar Block, President Sri Dolly K. Sangma, MDC of Bolsong, Sri Crozier G. Moment, MDC Sri Aldo A. Sangma, and MLA of Mendipathar, Sri Marthan Sangma. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.